Hey there, welcome to the Jess Tales. Today's video is a Zara haul. This is actually the first time I've ever ordered anything off of Zara, and I don't know what took me so long, but I got quite a few things and just wanted to share. I went to their store in California. I live in North Carolina. We don't have a Zara really close to us, and so I found a few things in the store, but I wanted to buy everything online because in case it doesn't work out, I'll be able to mail it back for returns. So a few of these things I did see in the store, and a few of them I have not seen in person, so I'm excited. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to try everything on and show you what it looks like on. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It means the world to me. I upload new videos every single week. First of all, I had a great experience with Zara's delivery service. They texted me when it was out for delivery, sent me a photo of it being delivered. It was just a really good experience with delivery service, so A+ for packaging. I have not ordered from a company that cares about the way their stuff looks when it gets delivered, so this is a nice surprise. First things first, I ordered this. I was thinking maybe it'd be pretty for the spring, but I feel like you could also wear it in the fall. It is a ruffle dress. I liked it because there is a adjustable waist and you can tie it on both sides. Just very like flouncy looking. I love ruffles and layers and lightweight looking dresses. I'm excited to try this. And on that same note, I got this dress. It looks so much prettier in person than I even thought it would online. I like the little metallic details, but I think this is so pretty. This is also a really pretty wedding guest dress. It could also be like a funeral dress because it is black, but so the shape of these dresses I love. I recently had to get rid of two of my dresses that are shaped exactly like this. A sheer long sleeve and then I don't even think this would be considered A-line, but it's just a very boxy outline. I also like this because it is fully lined, so only the very bottom is see-through. They did have another dress that was completely see-through, and I don't want to have to find like a slip or anything like that. But I did have two dresses that were that exact same shape, and I wore them all the time, and I had to get rid of them because I wore them so much I wore holes in them. I'm hoping to replace those with these dresses. So I got another one that's shaped very similar. This is one that I saw in the store in California. I love the print on this. I think this is so pretty. Again, the sheer long sleeve, which is so nice because you can wear this in the fall and the spring when it's not quite cold enough. And then when it does get cold, you can wear tights under it and layer it with a jacket or a blazer, and it would look really pretty. This one is just straight all the way, and it has one ruffle at the bottom. And then everything else I saw in the California store, but this one I saw as soon as I walked in and just like had to have it. And I don't even understand my own fascination with this top, but it is so pretty. The material, it's kind of like pearlescent. It just looks like a really nice silk shirt, but like a thick silk. I need a shirt that's white like this, just a classic button down. It looks really elegant and very expensive, and I think this top was like maybe 30 bucks. Okay, it was 49. I don't remember it being that expensive, but that's okay. 50 bucks for a shirt, that's pretty average, but this is a really nice feeling one. I just have to make sure it's not super see-through because I do plan on wearing this to work trips that I go on. And then on that same note, I love shirts like this. I have a blue and white thick stripe linen one, but I don't have one that's like this cotton material. And I thought this was so pretty. It's just a classic Oxford button down. Love the print. It's a really small blue and white stripe. Very soft cotton. It's very lightweight. It is a much boxier, oversized fit. This is an extra small and it's pretty wide. But the reason why I got this is because I want to put it under this, which I have nothing like this in my closet. It's a sweater vest. But this one is so soft and so thick. It's great quality, and I got it in gray. I did size up to a small. The smallest they have is a small, so this is a small. But I was gonna wear this over the blue and white stripe top. That's kind of the outfit that I see myself wearing. But again, you can style this sweater vest with any other little top. But I've always wanted a sweater vest and I've never had one, so I thought this was a really good quality one to have. Let's go try them all on and see how everything fits. This is the first shirt I tried on. It's the plain white silky button down. Here's a close-up of the material. I'm not gonna steam anything just because I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep yet. It would obviously look better if it was steamed. And here is the back of it. If I worked in an office, I think I would keep it, but I am going to return this shirt just because it is a little bit more see-through than I want it to be. But it is a great quality shirt. Like I said, if I did work in an office, I would keep it because it feels and looks so expensive. All right, next up is the oversized Oxford shirt. I love this. I'm definitely keeping this one. I think it is so cute. There's so many different ways that you could style this. It is oversized, so it is a boxy fit. Again, it is an extra small. This would also be super cute in the spring and summer because you could roll up the sleeves and then tuck it into a pair of denim shorts. This is just a good cotton feel. I love the cut. I love where it lays. And for the price tag, definitely, let's see. It was only $22, well, I don't even know what kind of money that is. I've got to look up how much I paid for it. I always have to make sure I can justify everything in my closet, you know, like cost per wear. This is a cotton blend Oxford shirt and it was $39.90 and I'm definitely keeping it. I think that's worth it. The amount of seasons I can wear this in, the amount of things I can wear this to and with, I think it's a great buy. Now let's see what it looks like with my gray sweater vest. Okay, so it definitely looks like what I thought it was going to look like. This would probably be a cuter look if maybe the shirt wasn't so oversized, and I think it would be cute if it wasn't a sweater vest, but maybe like a long sleeve sweater. I'll have to show you what I was thinking of, but I'm obviously it's too oversized to wear something over it unless the sweater vest was also oversized. I'm gonna return the sweater vest because as cute as it is, I just don't really know how to style it. It's not really something that I would continuously style. I think I may wear the sweater vest like once and that's about it. I mean, it's cute. It's a great quality sweater vest if you wanted to wear one. You can also wear it like without anything underneath and I'll show you what that looks like. Here's a sweater vest with nothing underneath. It's really cute. This is a really cute piece. Just not something I would wear. This is not really my style. My whole thing with sweater vests is if it's cold enough to wear a sweater, wouldn't you want like long sleeves? And so I think that's why I've never had a sweater vest, because I just don't see seasonally how to wear them. They're really cute. I would say if I lived in maybe a different climate, because here it's either way too hot or way too cold. Cute, but I'm gonna return it because it's just not my style. Dress number 1. I love the print of this one. This is one that I saw in the store, but I think I'm also gonna return this because I don't like that shape of how the little ruffle goes in the back. I am wearing it with just some black heeled booties. I think it would be really cute with some tights, especially since we are in the fall and winter season of 2023. I just am not a fan of the way that it lays in the back. I feel like it looks kind of, I feel like it'd be cute if it did something else, but it's a cute dress. I do like that the front is buttoned, so you can button it all the way up. You can also button it all the way down if you wanted to and wear it like with leggings and a crop top. I mean, that's a cute little outfit idea. I do like that it is lined all the way. Again, I just love the print of it. I think it's really, really pretty. The sleeves are not lined, so it's not too hot. And it does have a little necktie at the top, which you can always tie in a bow. I would just probably leave it open or do it in like a loose bow. Cute dress, but I'm just not feeling the bottom ruffle, so I'm going to return this one as well. Dress number 2. I think this one is my favorite. I love it. Again, little black booties. I could also wear tights with this. The only thing I'm kind of concerned of is it is pretty low cut, but this one's adorable. The sleeves are a little bit bouncier. They have more fabric and they are also sheer. But I love the metallic detailing on this dress. I think it is gorgeous. It is so pretty. And this one lays much better in the back because it has a seam right here and then it has another little ruffle on the bottom. But just the way it lays, it looks a whole lot better. It doesn't look quite as awkward as the other one does. I think it's also a pretty good amount longer than the other one was, so I feel more comfortable wearing it. It doesn't come up as much whenever I lift my arm. So I am gonna keep this one because I love this. This is a cute like Christmas party dress even. You could definitely dress it up. Good wedding guest dress. Just whenever you want to go anywhere a little bit more fancy, and you could definitely wear like golden goose with it. Some kind of cute sneaker to kind of dress it down. And this is the last piece. This is the short sleeve dress that I said you could definitely wear in the fall and the spring. It does look very spring though, so I'm kind of doubting myself on the fact that you wear it in the fall. But I styled this one with my Golden Goose, so any kind of sneaker I think this dress would look really cute with. Also, it's cute with heels and booties if you want to dress it up. It is low cut, but it hangs better so you don't see anything. It just kind of closes. The side ties do adjust so you can tie it at the waist. I didn't think about the sleeves though, because they are pretty wide and they're not lined, so you can see through, but not too bad. It may have something to do with the way that I have it tied, but the back is pretty short. So for that reason, I'm probably going to return it. Also because I could probably only wear this in the spring. I just don't think it looks like fall. So for the price, I don't really know if my cost per wear would be low enough to have it in my closet. I have lots of little spring dresses. It is really pretty, so if you're looking for a spring dress, this is adorable. I do have a longer torso too, so it probably wouldn't be as short on someone else with more of an average or shorter torso. Just kind of depends on body type. It's the risk of buying clothes online. Super cute dress, but I'm going to return this one as well. There's the last piece. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you found some inspiration from this video for your own closet. I am very impressed with Zara's clothes. I'm very impressed with their shipping and how they deliver things to you. It almost feels luxury when places put the extra effort into how the package arrives at your door. I will link everything below. I'm definitely going to start shopping there more often. Like I mentioned earlier, if you have not yet subscribed and you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe, and I will see you all next week.